Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a really easy and quick steps to take off the hair system. All you need is a headband to avoid any alcohol remover to get into your eyes. An alcohol remover, all you need to do is spray a little bit of alcohol remover. I normally leave it for 30 seconds, 1 minute to let the alcohol remover to be activated, but in this instance, let's see what's going to happen. Here we go. I believe I sprayed enough. You tap it, make sure the alcohol remover get in there, and all you need to do is gently lift off the hair system, and here we go. This would be the first step of taking off the hair system. Thank you very much for listening. If you have any questions about the hair system, leave a comment down below or contact her for all London. Thank you.